is a beautiful way of enriching our lives. It refers to the feeling and attitude of appreciation and thankfulness for the good which we receive in life. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and dear schoolmates. Today's assembly is being conducted by the students of Class 6B. Today's theme of the assembly is Gratitude is the best attitude.
Join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer. Praise Him, praise Him. Praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down, thank Him when the sun goes down. Amen.
The thought of the day is a moment of gratitude makes a difference in your attitude. I repeat my thought, a moment of gratitude makes a difference in your attitude.
Good morning. The word of the day is gratitude. Gratitude means thanks and appreciation. It is a thankful appreciation for what an individual has or received. Use of gratitude in a sentence. Please accept this small gift as a token of our gratitude for all your help. Thank you.
I want to tell you a short story about gratitude. A blind boy sat on the steps of the building with a hat by his feet. He held up a sign which read, "I am blind, please help." There were only a few coins in the hat. A man was walking by. He took a few coins from his pocket and dropped them into the hat. He then took the sign, turned it around and wrote some words. Then he put the sign back in the boy's hand so that everyone who walked by would see the new words. Soon the hat began to fill up with the coins. A lot more people were giving money to the blind boy. That afternoon, the man who had changed the sign returned to see how things were. The boy recognized his footsteps and asked, "Were you the one who changed my sign this morning?" "What did you write?" The man said, "I write the truth only, but in a different way. I wrote, 'Today is a beautiful day, but I cannot see it.'" Both the signs spoke the truth, but the first sign simply conveyed that the boy was blind, while the second sign conveyed to everyone walking by how grateful they should be to be able to see. When our life seems full of troubles, it is difficult to maintain an attitude of gratitude. And when everything seems to be going smoothly, we often forget to be thankful. Gratitude is a way of looking at the world and at all the good things in it with a feeling of appreciation. When we express gratitude, we feel happier and at peace with ourselves and with all that we are blessed with. Thank you.
Oath on coronavirus. I promise that I will take precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask, maintain 2 meters of distance and wash my hand with soap regularly. Together we can fight coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे